Hello, here's the video for setting a virtual background with a St. Patrick's Day theme. First, we'll have to go to Google Classroom and find the second grade computer lab. It's important that you have Zoom open on your computer and you have Google Classroom and Google Chrome. When you open up the Google Classroom under the classwork section, at the very top, you'll see this little four-leaf clover and the St. Patrick's Day virtual backgrounds. When you click on that, you'll see these four different virtual background pictures you can pick from. It's up to you which one you want to use. For this example, I'm going to use this pot of gold. So you can click on the picture and it will make it appear bigger on your screen, just like you're going to see on mine. It does sometimes take a little bit to load because these are really big pictures. Once it loads up, you're going to see the picture up here and you're going to be able to do things by clicking on it. What we're going to want to do is right click on the picture. So if you have a mouse with the two buttons, it's the one on the right side that you're going to click, and it's going to make a menu appear. If you're on a Chromebook, you're going to hold down the Alt key, A-L-T, on your Chromebook, and then click on the picture with the mouse, or touch the mouse click on the pad. When you do that, you'll see a menu come up and you're going to be looking for the Save Image option. The Save Image As is what it says on my computer. Then you're going to left click that or regular click that, and it's going to save it onto your computer. So you're going to need to remember where this is saved on the computer. That's a really important step so we can find it again to set it as our virtual background. So you'll notice on your side will be the places you can save it. Normally it will save to what's called the downloads folder, and you'll have to remember up at the top it shows you the address on your computer of where that thing is. So mine is on my desktop in a St. Patty's Day VB folder. So I'm going to click save to save it in that location. So make sure you remember where your picture is because we'll need to know it for the next part. When you click save, it'll show you on Google Chrome right at the bottom. Your picture will show you. If you click the picture, it will open it on your computer. So you don't need to click that picture right now. It can just stay down on that downloads bar. Now that you've downloaded the picture, you can click off it. And now we're going to go to Zoom. So when you go over to Zoom, of course, you'll be in your Zoom meeting. And down at the bottom of Zoom should be your video camera. When you click it, your video turns off, but there should be, if your computer can do a virtual background, there should be a little arrow pointing up next to the camera. It's really hard to see. Sometimes your camera's at the top of the screen, sometimes it's at the bottom. Wherever this little start video icon is, you need to find it and see if you can click the little arrow. When you click that little arrow, it's going to give you a bunch of different choices, maybe only one or two, but you're looking for the one that says choose virtual background. When you click on that one, it's going to open the settings of your Zoom where you're going to see your face and you're going to see all the virtual backgrounds you have. So we need to add a virtual background that we just downloaded from Google Classroom. So we're going to click this little plus sign that says add image or video. And ours is a picture or an image. So we're going to say add an image. And it's going to pop up with this thing looking for it on our computer. So here's the part where we have to remember, where did we save it? So I'm in my desktop, and now I'm going to look for that St. Patty's Day virtual backgrounds folder, open it, and be able to find the picture I just downloaded right here from Google Classroom. I'll click on that picture, click on open, and now that is going to be my virtual background here for me. When I'm done with that, I will click off this settings by clicking the little X. And now when I start up my video again, I have my St. Patrick's Day virtual background. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you set your own virtual background for our St. Patrick's Day.